Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you need to create multiple lines of text within a single cell on your spreadsheet? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do that. Let's go. Actually, adding multiple lines of text to a single Excel cell is a straightforward process that can be accomplished with a simple keyboard shortcut. Begin by selecting the cell and typing the first line of text. To create a line break within that cell, just press Alt plus Enter. Continue typing as needed and repeat the shortcut to add more lines to your document. Note that the cell's height will automatically adjust to accommodate the multiple lines of text. If necessary, you can further customize the text within the cell. To do so, right-click the cell containing your multiple lines of text and go to Format Cells. Navigate to the Alignment tab and enable Wrap Text to ensure the text fits within the cell's width. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.